Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you want to get the Olive Garden coupon codes, then this video is for you. So first website that can provide you some working coupon codes or promo codes for that is couponfollow.com/site/olivegarden.com, and from here you can find most updated coupon codes or the promo codes that you can use to get some exciting deals and discounts. So the first one is for free delivery. You can simply click on show coupon code here and it will show you the coupon codes. Here it is. Now simply click on copy and you can go to your website and you can use this promo code when you are going to check out and you can get a free delivery. Now the second website that is coupon.com/coupon code/olive green garden, and this will help you, or you can use the search icon here and search for the Olive Garden, and you can find the list of promo code or coupon code for Olive Garden. So you can simply click on see coupon code here. You can find it is verified. Now here is the expiry date, so make sure that you have purchased or you have written this coupon code before the expired date. So simply click on see coupon and it will show you the coupon code here. Simply click on copy coupon code or code copied here and you are good to go to use this coupon code. Now the third one is the dealsporter.com/promo codes/olivegarden.com, and you can also find some exciting deals and discounts from here that they have collected. That you can find the tag, the top code, and it is also a verified coupon code here. So the last users time and total users time here. So this is also the same, so you have to simply click on this show coupon code button here. Now you can find the copy this code here. You have to click on this code here, or you can simply click on this here. You can see it is automatically copied to my clipboard. Now I can use it to the olivegarden.com official website. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.